Now we're gonna work around the lips. Now this can actually plump your lips and make them look bigger, so you can do this if you want to before going out. And you're gonna go over the lip and around the lip. You can use your smaller cup if that works better for you. And you can either run it to the corner of the mouth or squeeze and release. It looks pretty funny. Now we're going to go from the side of the nose down under the cheekbone and out to the corner of the ear. So you apply it here, and the pressure should be medium. If it feels too intense, just squeeze less when you apply to get a gentler pressure. You'll see the skin start to plump up and pink up. Now we're going to go down the side and down the SCM. Now we're going to move to around the eye. I prefer to use my smaller suction cup for this part just because the bones are so little. Now you want to be very gentle here. I prefer to squeeze and release, and I don't usually release the full way. Some people will drag. You can do that here. Just remember to be very gentle here because this skin is thinner and more fragile. You can go all around the orbital ridge, so the edge of the bone. Do that a few times. And then you can do the same underneath here. For some people like me, it's harder for it to adhere just because it is a smaller area of the face, but you can get some nice suction there. And then we're gonna do right here where the crow's feet are. And these you just adhere and drag always up and out. We're always going up and out. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the 11s and the forehead. So you're going to apply right in the middle and simply slowly work up. Let's do this 5 times. And now we're going to work across. Apply in the middle and gently glide it across the brow. Let's do 3 in each location. 1, 2. I'm going to do another one because that last one didn't stay on that well. Okay, and now we'll move up, apply, and slide. Up, and press the cup into your skin to get it to form a firm seal. And across the top. 1, 2, 3. And I like to end by going again down to the lymph drainage. And you're done with this side of the face. So you can already see the difference here, and now you're gonna wanna move on to the left side of the face. You will be a little bit plumper for a while, and then that will go down and you'll have just a nice fresh glow.